Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a breakfast egg sandwich. You're going to start off by grabbing a pot and adding water. Once you put that on the stove, you're going to grab another pot, put some oil on it and add 2 eggs in it. You're going to put it in your pot with water and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, you're going to get your bread and just put it in the air fryer or toast it. After a few minutes, it should look something like this, and then you're going to want to take it out with a spoon or just something to make sure you don't burn yourself. Then you're going to take your bread out, add some cheese or whatever you'd like on your sandwich, and then it should be as easy as this. You could have it on the side with some coffee or whatever you'd like, and here is your breakfast for the day.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to get a thumbs up, like, subscribe.